Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so how do you set up Grandstream PBX and extensions? I'm sorry if the screen quality right here on this monitor is not good because it's like wrapped around with plastic. Anyways, once you have gone through the wizard setup, you're gonna choose your password and everything for your PBX. Alright, once you have done that, extensions are usually gonna start from 1000, but if you want to change that and you want it to start from 100, you can do that by going inside PBS settings, general settings, and then from here you can start the user extension from 100. Once you have done that, these are the phone's IP addresses. I have put them by myself, static, and I will log into them later, but first I gotta have to add the extensions, and I'm gonna teach you guys how you can add the extensions. All you gotta have to do is just click on add. Alright, once you have done that, keep it zip extension single. As you can see here, it begins from 100 now. It doesn't begin from 1000. You can also start it. You can also do double digits as well, by the way. So this is our first extension, second, third. I don't know how many cell phones you have. You can also create like a batch extension as well. Like let's say I want to create 5 extensions in one time. I can also do that, and boom, I would have all of these extensions. Once you have done that, click on apply changes and I'll show you the rest. So I have created the extensions now, and by the way, I have set up everything as static. So once you're logged in, by the way, there's another way to do it, and it's from zero config. If you go inside device management and go inside zero config, you can also do it from here. I have this video already on my channel, so you guys can go and watch that video. As you guys can see, it's already showing me 3 of them, so all I gotta have to do is just like click on edit. I haven't downloaded the model yet for the telephone, so all I gotta have to do is just click here on edit, choose the extension, and boom, you guys can see that video. It's on my channel already. And if you gotta have to download the models for the telephones or anything, you just go to model update and scroll down and find your telephone model, and then you can download it. So now we are back on this telephone. I have changed the password as well. You guys can do that if you want to, or I mean, it's gonna ask you to do it anyways. Let me just zoom out. There we go. Okay, so now head into account 1. All right, account active, account name, I'm gonna give it like the extension name SIP server. So here, what you're gonna do here, you're gonna put the IP address for your PBX. So I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, and then I'm gonna paste it here, and then SIP user ID, let's just put 100 as well. SIP authentication ID, you can find it from here. You can go into extension, so we are giving him 100. We're gonna click on edit. This is going to be the password. We're gonna copy it if I can. We're gonna copy it, and then we're gonna paste it right there. And that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta have to do. And now you can hit save and apply, and voila. Okay, a lot of people do ask me about inbound and outbound routes as well, like how to set them up. How you can do that is, first thing first, you gotta have to put the cable in, all right, from the router or whatever it is. Once a telephone cable, by the way, because we're talking about telephone line here. And then you gotta have to go inside outbound routes. You gotta have to actually, before that, you gotta have to go inside analog trunks, add, and which port you have plugged the cable in. Let's say 1, choose 1, put the name here, whatever you wanna put. I'm just gonna put something, save it, and then you go inside outbound routes, click on add, and we're gonna name it whatever you want. And now here's the main part: how you're supposed to make calls, like from this PBX or telephone, whatever. How you're supposed to do it is basically X is gonna represent number from 0 to 9. So let's say I'm in Saudi Arabia and we have here 10 digits basically for a phone number. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 10 X's here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I also like to do 9 as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then boom, that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. This is outbound routes. Outbound route. It has been created. We're gonna click on save. Privilege level. We're gonna keep on internal. By the way, keep one thing in mind. If this thing is on internal, okay, and the extension it's on internal as well, that's how you will be able to make call from that extension. If this is on another privilege, you will not be able to. So make sure they both are on the same privileges. So this is how you create outbound routes, okay, and then you're gonna have to save it. I saved it, but for some reason it didn't got saved, but it's okay. Like I said, it's the same way. Inbound, you're gonna choose the same thing. Add, you're gonna choose your analog trunk that you have created before, and then you click on save, and then voila, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you set up outbound and inbound routes as